Hello, you guys. Today I will be doing a pour with the cloud recipe again. I do have the same color as I had the last time, okay, because I do have those paints left over, and I did want to use those paints that I had left over so they wouldn't go to waste. The difference is in this one is that I've thinned the paints out more, so I want to see what we're going to get on this one. I figured out where the chunks were coming from. They're coming from my black paint that I mixed in, the Artist Loft, that I mixed in with the cloud recipe to make it gray. So that's where the chunks are coming from. So I do have this gray still left over. I didn't use the gray still. I'm going to see if I can get that in there somewhere. This time, I'm not going to do the gold on top. I'm going to try to do the gold on the bottom. So let's try to do it on the bottom. Now, I want to get rid of all of this paint. Now, I do not have two of the colors from the last time. The exception of that red and that cold gray Arteza paints, because those were just left over from another pour. Okay, so I did go backwards. Let me see if I can keep up. Hopefully this is enough paint, because I'm just using the leftover that I had. And I think that I want to add some of the cloud recipe on top of here so that I'll get just some of those big lumpy cloud shapes. So let's see. I'm going to do it because I never do that. So let's see what we end up with. Let me get some of that cloud paint because I do not have it. Okay. It's a little bit. Hopefully I don't put too much. All right. Let's see what we get. I think I'm going to lose the color that I really like. That gold and that pewter. This one's going to be very different from the other one. Because just like I didn't have two of the paints. Not only that, I added that cloud recipe in on top. So it's going to be different. Which is not a bad thing. Let's see what happens. I think this one's going to be surprising. I can see it starting to develop. I think I like the gold under the bottom, because it just shines through. So try to remember, you guys, when you're doing this, to save a little bit of that paint that you put on the canvas before you start pouring, so that you can fix your little edges or whatever parts that you have where there's no paint or canvas showing. So just make sure you save a little bit of that paint. You don't need much, but you do need some to be able to cover the edges and other parts that need paint. So that gold forms some nice sails up under there, you guys. I'm going to show you. That gold is spectacular. And I'm surprised, but the cloud recipe that I put on top, the mixture, it kind of looks like sails. It turned into a look like sails, and kind of look like the waves a little bit from the ocean. So let me bring you down so you can get a closer look, so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here you go. Look at that. You can see that gold, how it's coming through. I love that gold. That is beautiful. Look at that. I just love it. This part is amazing. Look at that. I really, really like that, you guys. And look at this. Now that's nice. I like the way the white is almost like waves crashing on top of the gold. Beautiful. I don't know if the paint is going to change any. If it does, I will show you what the dried look is, so that you can see what it looks like. But I really like the way that it came out. It is very different from the other painting, even though I use a lot of the same paints. I did have two of the paints that I did not include because I didn't have any more of it. That was that red and that cold gray. But overall, this is a very nice painting, and I like the outcome. Tell me what you think. Give me suggestions. Let me know what colors you would like to see, guys, what you would like to see me do next. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, you guys, thanks for watching.